Hey, welcome back to the channel. If your projects are a mess, you're bouncing between AI tools, planning in 5 different tabs, and somehow still feel behind, yeah, I live that chaos. But I just found something that actually simplifies it all. It's called Qolaba, and it's honestly a game changer. Qolaba is an all-in-one AI studio where you can plan, create, and collaborate without switching tools every 5 minutes. It combines the best AI models out there, like GPT, Claude, Gemini, DALL, Runway, and ElevenLabs, and puts them in one powerful workspace. Chat, create content, edit visuals, generate videos, even compose music. It's all here. First, it's got a built-in chatbot powered by top-tier models. So whether you're brainstorming ideas, writing copy, or building marketing content, it's like having a smart assistant ready 24/7. But it's not just text. You can turn those ideas into images, videos, voiceovers, or music without leaving your browser. Let's talk visuals. Qolaba gives you a full creative suite. Text to image, describe anything, and watch it come to life in seconds. Image to image, remix or enhance an existing photo image editing, erase objects, fix colors, or retouch. Super intuitive. Perfect for ads, product shots, social content, or just exploring ideas visually. No Photoshop needed. Now this is where it gets wild. Qolaba includes video generation tools powered by Runway and Veo, so you can create short video clips straight from text. Need a voiceover? The speech generator uses ElevenLabs. Super realistic, and you control the tone, language, and style. And yes, it even does text to music. Type a mood and it gives you a soundtrack. Seriously, all this runs on a credit system, not per user pricing. You get a pool of credits to use however you want, across chat, image, video, voice, music, and you can share it with your team. No monthly seat fees, no complicated licenses, just flexibility. Here's the kicker. Qolaba is on AppSumo right now as a lifetime deal. That means instead of paying monthly for tools like Jasper, DALL, ElevenLabs, Notion, or Runway, you get it all with a one-time payment. Even the top tier, with advanced agents, team access, API, and thousands of credits, is still cheaper than a couple of months of subscriptions. So if you want to stop tool hopping and start creating smarter, check out the link in the description to grab the Qolaba Lifetime Deal while it's still live. I've already moved half my creative work in here, and it's honestly been worth every credit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.